Hey guys, Quinn Wentzel here. Today we're at the infamous Grimpossible 5-foot wall. This thing's basically straight up and down. You might have seen it in some of the YouTube videos from last year. Graham Jarvis and I hitting it. We're back this year, and I'm going to give you some insight on how to master going up this on an Enduro dirt bike.
Alright guys, so let's break it down. Step 1. For a wall this size, you gotta be pinned. I'm using everything the motor has to get up this wall. But I'm slipping the clutch while I do it. So I'm slipping it right up to this part of the wall, so I need to fully let it fly. This will allow me to have a huge burst of motor right when I need it. So all while I'm giving it the gas and slipping the clutch, you'll notice I also do a huge suspension preload. Which brings us to step 2. My little up-down maneuver helps me to compress the suspension quite a bit. I start this move roughly a bike length and a half before the wall. I time it perfectly so as the suspension starts to rebound, I'll just be right at the point where I need to start going up the wall. Preloading the suspension offers a tremendous amount of help in allowing the bike to track vertically up the wall. Step 3. The wheelie. For this particular size wall, you want to aim for your front tire to hit about halfway up the target. Next up, we have body position. You'll notice how far forward I am when going up the wall. My thighs are touching the handlebars. Right as you get to near the top and the bike starts to go forward is when I start to lean back just to catch traction right at the top of the wall. And the 5th and final step, always stick the landing. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and let me know what you'd like to see next.